Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's having a beautiful day. Now today I'm very happy to share with you guys my Black Friday purchase. Now this is a purchase that I did make 2 weeks ago and I finally received it from UPS yesterday. Now, what's so cool about this purchase, well, first I'll tell you what I purchased because there's a few items there that you're looking at. First, we do have the rose gold 7.9 T-bar bracelet. Now, this bracelet is a snake chain. Now, the cool part about this one compared to the sterling silver T-bar is that there is no clip stations. Now, having no clip stations can be an advantage and a disadvantage because I don't really like to have my charms rolling all over the place if I only wear a limited amount. So what I ended up doing is I ended up putting silicone. Now the silicone rings, when I did put them in, what I did is I did not trim them. All I did was I cut an opening in the silicone stopper. And then I wrapped that around the T-bar bracelet, and then I put the clip underneath and then closed it. Okay, so that's how you can get away with putting clips that don't have any silicone underneath them, especially when you have a snake chain that doesn't have any clip stations, because usually there's no clip stations. It's usually found on the bangles. So, and my other purchase is this beautiful rose gold snowflake. Now, this snowflake is very blingy, I must admit. It's a little bit blingier than what I'm used to. So I find that styling it is a little bit difficult. So, what I've decided to do, instead of having the snowflake sliding from left to right, what I did is I did put 2 silicone stoppers inside the open work. Now, both of the silicone stoppers are trimmed, so I figured by doubling it, I mean, it can still go up and down, okay? It just doesn't really go much left to right, okay? Because when I put the silicone stoppers in here, they don't really stay at the edge because it's a large open work. So I put them together. And the only way you can insert those silicone stoppers in there is by trimming them, okay? Do not try to put a full-sized one in there. It's not going to work. You're just going to get a little bit upset because it's very difficult. Now, I'm going to give you guys a closer look. Now, it is gorgeous. But again, I actually thought that there was a rose gold edge, because that's what I thought I saw in the catalog, but it isn't so. So it's going to take a little bit of getting used to, because like I said, it is very, very blingy. I was actually checking to see if there was any earrings that matches the centerpiece, and there is, but only in sterling silver. Now, I don't understand why Pandora would do that. If you make a snowflake in sterling silver and make matching earrings, I would expect the same for the rose gold piece. Now, this piece does have hearts on the outside edge, and they face 2 different directions, which is nice. And then at the top, only the top peak has recessed hearts, or hearts in it. And it does have the ALEMET on one side and blank on the other. So what I decided to do is, again, use these beautiful sterling silver and rose gold clips just to kind of like tone it down, because right now it's all like CZ and rose gold. So I added some sterling silver to just tame it down a little bit, so it's not so blingy. All right, and what we have next to this beautiful bracelet are these 2 rose gold iridescent Muranos. Now, I was actually thinking of adding these to the bracelet, but what I do find is that they are a little bit large. Because when I design a bracelet, I actually like to have a large piece in the center if I'm only wearing a third. Because you always want to highlight the center piece because it sits right in the center of your wrist or at the top of your wrist. So therein lies the conundrum. So I have to figure out how to style this beautiful bracelet. I mean, I could wear it on its own without the clips because I did put silicone stoppers, so it's not gonna go from left to right. Or my other idea is to actually get 2 sterling silver snowflakes. Now, that's the other problem, is that will it be too blingy? So again, it's a work in progress, this one. I'm not really sure how to go about it. All I know is that these Muranos, I'm not sure if I'm going to put them on or not. So, because right now, if I do add them on, then I have to take out the snowflake and the silicone stoppers that's in there. So that's one disadvantage of the silicone stoppers, is that you do have to take it out and then redo it when you redesign your bracelet. Now, let's show you guys a little closer look. Now, these again are my favorite clips. The hearts do move from left to right. And if you do add more than one split open silicone stopper, it'll be a little stiffer for the heart to move left and right, which is kind of good because after you open and close them after a little while, they do tend to get loose. So adding those little silicone, split silicone rings or stoppers actually do help. Now again, in the catalog, it's a little bit deceiving because it's a little bit blingier in person than it is in the catalog. Okay, as you can see. So I think a good option would be probably to get 2 more in sterling silver. I think that would be my best bet. Because I am on Vancouver Island, and on Vancouver Island, it does snow, but not all the trees lose their leaves, okay? So another thought that I had as well is the pave leaf in rose gold, the one with the pink and purple CZs. But when I was looking it up on Google yesterday, I did notice that the holes are not at the ends, which I had in mind. I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. I could use the leaf and have the leaf like sit like this way. But the leaves, the hole is like horizontal, so it stands vertical. So again, I'm not quite sure. So if you guys have any advice or suggestions on how to style this beauty, because I did look it up on Pandora, and usually if you scroll down to the feedback or the reviews, usually you'll find some pictures of how people wear this specific item, but there's none. And if I search it on Google, I have only been able to find single images of this charm. So if any of you ladies or gents have bought this and have styled it, please let me know how you styled it. Okay? Because I'm thinking I might keep it simple. I might just remove the clips and just wear it in the simple way. So that, ladies and gents, is my purchase from Black Friday. Now, I'm very happy to have shown this video with you, and I can't wait to participate in the last Black Friday. And I just wanted to share something with you guys. I don't know if you know yet, but the November 20th anniversary celebration charm is going to be the Tunnel of Stars. So get ready, ladies, to make that purchase tomorrow. I do believe that it's going to sell out very fast because it's probably going to be included in the Black Friday sale. Okay, so do buy it quickly. All right, if you like this video, click like. If you wish to subscribe, I would absolutely adore it. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate. All right, have yourselves a lovely day. Thank you.